First off, I'm filming here by the mystical tree. Every time I do, something strange happens. I'm talking weird noises in the woods. I've had cameras fall right off the tripod for no reason at all. And once I got hit in the head by an orb. I don't know. So if you see anything or hear anything weird in the video, let me know down below. There's no telling. And yeah, we are close to a road, so you'll probably hear some road noises. Not a big deal. Anyway, friends, I was inspired by BarnYard Outdoors. A little while back, he did a video on this Basecamp Cook Box. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to show you what I use. Now, this is nothing special. It is a sportsman's box. You can find them at Academy and Home Depot at the time I filmed this video or released it. They go anywhere from $28 to, I'm going to say, if you can catch them on sale, $12. They say they are waterproof. They're not waterproof, friends. Even though they have a really good seal on them, when they close, they do not have the rubber gasket on the inside. Now, I could probably fix that in the future, but me, probably not. Anyway, I store a lot of stuff in this box. I mean, a lot more than I probably need. And it will support 2 people at camp, probably for 7 days or more. And for me, if one person, about 14. So let's go ahead and dig right into this. Let me show you everything that's in here. And there's quite a bit. So we're going to start off. This thing's a mess. I just recently used it. Normally I carry 2 towels, but today I've only got 1. The other one needs to be washed. Some carb bars for an extra snack. Here's the goodie bag. In here we have some little cinnamon discs, Ziplocs, stevia sugar, and stevia in the packages right there. We've got a mess going on. Aluminum foil, drink mixes. You think I'd open this up and just dump everything out? Yeah, I'm not going to do that. All right, I'll pull a couple items out. We have salt, pepper, and you'll be proud of me, hot sauce, all liberated from fast food restaurants. And when I'm feeling fancy, some good old Grey Poupon. Oh, and there's a trash bag in there too. We carry the trash out. Next, D-sized batteries. Those are for my fan, which I used on my last outing. Put them there. The wet ones, these come in real freaking handy for cleaning dishes and yourself. And you notice they're in a Ziploc bag. In fact, everything in here is in a Ziploc bag, but just in case this box leaks, I don't want it to get wet. And plus, the Ziploc bags do have a multiple use. Now, I have a freaking whole bag of popcorn. Don't ask. I'm going to do something with it one of these days. Probably today, actually, since it's so nice out. Now we're going to get into the meals here, because there's quite a few. We've got our rice sides. There's like dirty rice in there. A nice little snack for on the trail or anywhere. Beanie Weenies in the can. It's in there. And of course, Carl, you'll be proud of me. Yep, I got sausage rockets. Inside joke. Brad, yes, we have Spam. Lots of Spam. We got the bacon. We got more bacon. Oh, here's the new one. This is turkey Spam. It's actually not bad. It's supposed to be a little bit healthier for you. Yeah. Over here, we've got a lot. Mountain House meals, a whole bunch of them. There's 3, 4 in a packet. More Mountain, I know. This is my Honey's Kitchen, along with cream of wheat. More Mountain House, and I think there's a peak one meal in there, or a peak meal. Here's some more peak meals. What is this one? Chicken dumplings. I don't think I've had that. Yes, more Mountain House. How could you go wrong with Mountain House? These are the Crystal Light eggs. Best tasting eggs ever. And they go perfect with the corned beef and hash. This meal is for 2 people. I tried to eat it once all by myself. Did not happen. Now we get into the good stuff, friends. Put this down here. This is going to be featured in another video, so we're not going to talk about it. We have a windscreen that comes in real freaking handy. And I'll just take it out real quick, show you what it looks like. Maybe it's stuck. Just your basic generic windscreen. Come on. Oh, almost forgot. Vegetable oil and popcorn oil. Obviously for the popcorn that I've got an overabundant supply of for some reason. The way to clean your dishes, just a little bottle of, what is that? Oh, Palmolive. And then these little green scrubbies. These, I find, are the best freaking scrubbies to clean your dishes with. They get everything off. Oh, okay, now we're getting into the good stuff. The utensil bag. All these utensils you can find at the dollar store. I probably should say not sponsored, because if I don't, you know. We got the little, oh, we got to test them and make sure they work. They do. The tongs, a real can opener, go figure. Spoon, and a baby spatula. Almost dropped that. 2 fuel cells, and you got the comb in, and that's a peak one. You heard that, right? Anyway, just a spoon, knife, right there on the edge, and a fork. Fun fact, I actually won this one a while back. I think that was at the Midwest Bushcraft Show. Oh, might as well get into the stoves. Here we have, and this is just a carry case. I've got 2 of my favorite. These are the Coleman Max Gen 1 Peak 1 stove. There's 2 of them in this container. We got some aluminum foil. And believe it or not, a meat thermometer, just to be on the safe side. I'm sure you all know what this is. It's the good old GSI kettle. On this side, we got the hidden bowl, which I don't know why I leave it in there because I never use it. But we got, oh my God, this right here has got some history to it. This is my original, one of my original cook kits, and it's from Tech Sport, and that's the pot. And for some reason I keep it around, and you can tell I've burnt all the coating off on the bottom. There's also this, oh wow, I forgot to put these in there. These little tent stakes here, they can be used to make a pot stand in your fire. You put your pot on top of it. Then we got a heck of a mess going. Everybody knows the Alpine frying pan. In fact, it's a little sticky on the bottom from the last outing. I probably should clean that when I get home. Put that over right there. Oh, these right here, these titanium pots. I found them at the return store. I think I paid 50 cents per pot. There's a big one. And then it comes with this little guy right here. You can't go wrong. for that price. Okay. You must. Anyway, I have no clue where I got this here mesh bag, but it comes in great for hanging your dishes up to dry. Now these right here are actually pretty freaking cool. These are dog bowls. Yeah, dog bowls. Got them at the return store. I think I paid $1 for a whole bag of them. They make the perfect freaking bowls. They fit a lot of food, easy to clean, lightweight, take up less space in your pack, and really more important, they're cheap if you can get them cheap. Now the only problem is they do have a picture of a dog paw or something on the bottom, but not a big deal. But if you look at the high-end outfitter stores, these things go from anywhere from 15 to 30 freaking bucks, which blows my mind. I don't know why they're so expensive. All right, this is what the box looks like on the inside. I'm not exactly sure on the dimensions on there. And that's been a look at all the items that fit in the box, the cook box. If you see anything you have any questions about, please feel free to ask. If there's something you would add or take away, throw it down in the comment section. Definitely go check out BarnYard's Outdoors channel, link below. His box is more organized and in better shape than mine. Oh, there's one thing missing. I just remembered I gave it away to somebody on my last outing. I usually carry a whole bunch of my egg drop fire starters with me. I'm starting a fire. All right, friends, there you go. Like always, thanks for watching.